Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, so this morning when we were pulling up on the job, I noticed one of my tires on the trailer is going flat. Well, luckily I had a spare. But you guys ever have one of those days or a few days in a row where just everything seems to mess up no matter what you do? Yeah, the last couple days been kind of rough for me. And not only that, but pulling onto the job and what do you know? There's a nail in the tire. Yeah. But it did turn out to be a good day all in all. But let me know in the comments if you guys ever have one of those days or one of those weeks where just everything seems to go wrong for you. The first clip of this video is going to be a 19-second time lapse. It didn't turn out all that great. I thought it would be better, but the rest of the clips in the video are pretty cool. Especially the one all the way at the end where we fell the tree. It's a pretty tight space, and but it turned out really good. It was a nice shot, so stick around for that. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alrighty. Alright guys, so up here I got 3 decent sized tops up here. That one's house photo. And I have these. I have this one, which is over the house. I'll probably tip tie that, swing the whole limb. What do you guys like better, time lapse or real video? I like chicken nuggets. Alright, can you guys send up that rig? Alright, you guys ready for the cut? So recipe. Noise. Got this garden right here, that playhouse right there. The plan is to drop it right on the brush for that nice cushioniness. Got these nice lead-ins on this side, we don't want to hit that. That sucker's probably like 80 feet. What? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Right there's my notch. Right there. You probably can't tell. But we notched it hard left because it's got a slight lean towards this way. Yeah, I think you can tell. This is straight right here. So we're gonna leave a lot of holding wood on this side, which will cause the tree to pull that way, because we want to land it on that brush, so it's a nice cushion. That's the angle from the back. I'm gonna show the drop from the front this time. Plus the sun's facing this way, so I'm gonna put it right through here, kind of on the brush, but kind of not. The initial impact will be on the brush, but it'll probably roll over off of it. All right, let's shoot our shot. There it is. See how I left the holding one towards the left. Left a little bit on this. A little bit of holding wood on the left. Okay, because it was leaning pretty hard to the right. Put it right on the pile. Right through the hole.